Hello, lovely people. What's up? This is your freelance IT guy, and I'm here with an amazing video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your Unicenta POS from start to finish in simple steps. I'm also going to teach you the ways around the error messages that normally pop up when setting up your Unicenta POS. So, without wasting my time, let's get straight into business. So to begin, we need three softwares to be able to get our Unicenta POS up and running. We need the Unicenta POS software itself. We need MySQL installer, which serves as the database for the Unicenta POS. And we need Java. Yes, Java is very important because without Java, your Unicenta POS can't even open. So as you can see, you have these three softwares already downloaded. So I'm going to teach you how to, or show you where you get it on the net. So first you open your favorite browser and you type in Unicenta POS. So when you type in Unicenta POS and this page opens, this is the link you have to click on. This one, Unicenta POS download sourceforge.net. You click on this link right here. Click on download. As you can see, your download will start shortly. So as you can see, our software is downloading down here, but because I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to stop this right here. So the next software on our list is MySQL. Scroll down a bit. You want to select the one on their original website, which is mysql.com. Click on this. Click on downloads. Scroll down. Then you click on this link right here. This one. Click on it. And you select MySQL installer for Windows because my computer is a Windows computer. So click on this. Then when this page opens, click on this, the first one. Then you come here, no thanks, just start my download. You click on that link. Then it starts downloading down here as well. So I'm going to stop this because we already have it. Now the last and final software you want is Java. As I said earlier on, your Unicenta POS won't run without it. It won't even open. Java. Type in java.com. Enter. This opens right here. Click on Java. Download. Scroll down. Agree. Start free download. And there you have it. Once again, we'll cancel this. So then after you download these three softwares, I assume you have, now we get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to extract this Unicenta Pos zip file. You extract here, there you have it. Unicenta Pos. When you open this, you can click on Start. First error. When you see this error, it means you need to install your Java first. As I said, Unicenta Pos cannot function without Java. So we are going to press OK and we come to Java. Run this as an administrator. Press yes. Click on install. There you have it. This will take a minute or two, not too long. Okay, so it says you have successfully installed Java. Close it now. Now let's try the Unicenta Pos one more time. Second error message. Then to sort this out, you need to install MySQL and download a server and create a user. So that's what you're going to do right now. So you press OK and it opens Unicenta Pos configuration. So this is where you're going to set up database, and when you create the user I was talking about earlier, you write the username here and the password and you test it and you're good to go. But before that, you need to do this with MySQL. This, you can see a username and a password here. This is from the previous database I created earlier on. Don't worry about it, we'll create a new one. So for now, I'll close this. Come back. MySQL installer. Double click it. Press yes. Press yes one more time. This is it. Let's launch it. So where you want to come is on select the custom button, then next you can see MySQL servers, applications, MySQL connectors, documentation. Then you have some classes beside them. So what you want to do is to click on the plus assigned to the MySQL servers. Click on the plus, another plus down here. You can see MySQL server 8.0, 5.7, 5.6. These are the versions. The version that is compatible with Unicenta Pos is the MySQL Server version 5.7. You click on the plus beside it, and we have a series of versions, a lot of them. But the one you want to go for, the best version you would want to go for is MySQL Server version 5.7.23. This one. My computer is 64, so that's the one I'm going for. You click on the arrow beside in the middle here and it moves to the side. The next software we want to install in this MySQL installer is the workbench. Now we'll see what the workbench does in a minute, but before that you click on the plus by the application, click on MySQL workbench, click on the plus, click on the plus here again. You can see series of versions here too, but this one doesn't matter. You can go for the updated version and click on this arrow. So when you're done, you can see these are the products to be installed. You click on next and next again. Warning, press yes. Ready to download. Press execute. As you can see, it has started downloading. It won't take too long. Take a minute. So as you can see, both products have been downloaded. So what you do is you select next and you execute. This is the installation process. It doesn't take too long, as you can see. Yeah, so it's done. It's done. So click on next, next again, next again. As you can see, we have current root password. Actually, if this is not your first time downloading MySQL installer, and let's say you've downloaded it for a couple of times, it assumes that you want to use your old root password. But here's the case, I'm teaching you guys how to do it from scratch. So where to go back, cancel, yes, cancel, yes. So I'll go back to my SQL. You can see my workbench installed right here. Go back to the installer. Press yes. And I'm going to take this server out. So click on remove, select the server, press next, next again, execute. As you can see, it's uninstalling. Click on finish. As you can see, it's only the MySQL workbench that is on. So to add it back, press add, like how we did earlier on. The plus, plus again. Then my SQL server 5.72.23, sorry, 0.23 is the one you want. See, we execute it. So it's going faster. Yeah. Next, next again, next. Yeah, yeah. So this is what we wanted to see. This is what we wanted to see. But the reason why the other what was shown on the screen was current root password, because I had already installed it and used it. I already went through this process. So they just wanted a shortcut for me so they could just go through. But I want to show you guys how it's done. So we set the root password now, which is, let's see what we're going to use. And use freelance, capital F. Notes, the uppercase and lowercase letters matter. So it's capital F R E E L A N C E. And again, capital F R E E L A N C E. Says weak, but we can carry on. So this is what you are going to enter into the Unicenta POS. Press add user, and let's see, our username is Unicenta. Password to capital F R E E L A N C E. Again, capital F R E E L A N C E. So keep this in mind, the username and the password. Okay, that's created. Next, next again, execute. Click on finish. Next, finish. So we are done here. We're done here. So what we want to do is to close this and open the workbench. So this is the workbench. This gives you room to work and to create your database. This is the earlier connection I created. So I'm going to create a new one. I'll name it Unicenta Pos. You can name it whatever you want. But remember the user password we used. So we used what? Unicenta. So we test the connection. This pops up. Then you remember the password you gave it. That was freelance. Capital F R E E L E N C E. Okay. Successfully made the MySQL connection. Press OK. Okay. So as you can see, I've created it here. So what we want to do next is to create a database. So let's see something. Let's create database Unicenta OPOS. Close it. Let's execute and see. Okay, it worked. Worked. Do you know why this X came here? Because the database has already been created. So they are telling the database exists. It's nothing alarming. So let's close this. Let's minimize it actually. And let's Unicenta. Clear this. Free capital F R E E L A S E. Test it. There we have it. There we have it. Press OK then. Okay. Close it. Save changes before exit. Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to try to open it again. Tell me just click yes. And there we have it. There we have it. Our Unicenta POS has been able to open. So you can see administrator, employee, guest, manager. You can set passwords on all these. You know, I'll do a video on that as well. I'll also do a video to show you how to set the currencies, how to put in products, and so on. So stay tuned. I hope you liked this video and I hope it helped. Stay tuned for more videos. Once again, I am your freelance IT guy and I'm out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I'm out.